Kublai pi baro, pi pe jagri khasi channel bak nyiwan rasha pi ya ka thup khubor jang kani katiyo menta. Ki phang ki bakong san, Shimsmai kinomi khmat bathamai ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Shimsmai u Conrad ke sangma ko menteri rangba ringkat bat ki khatwing wat ki menteri. Ngin shong hagaliang persha bat ngin omsha jem ya ka sarkar walang idan tang khandiat ru ong uba ardent. Hadin asngi bala lap ika kli pers ka kti hapung omyam bat lap ya ka met jong rangba bala shapniam. Palat kelur shongdor ki drug ki bala yo kem hakini ki shipho banai. Haga sport yo jing itu naga jilla ka kanhon ki no ilakai football jong ka jilla. Kla no no ngak plim uba paunam jong ka jilla. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor. Ngin pai mentash ki Khubor bania. Ki nong mi khmat ki bathamai ki bala sha jit shaka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly min haka handrutrik min taubanai leber arhajar arpulai kila Shimsmai la ka jong kal jinglong de khot shaka yender bar thawan ke jila.
Ya kadi ka jingbam smile apanya the pro tem speaker joka assembly u Timothy D. Shira.
I, Conrad K. Sangma, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Dr. Celestine Lingo, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Khadar ngut ki menteri ki bathamai jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kila Shimsmai manhaka hnyotrik min tau banai ha Raj Bhavan hakmat jong ulat ke jilau Phagu Chauhan.
Yo Conrad ke sangma sashisen lapen smile ko menteri rangba ka jala bad yo ba prastun tin song baru ba snyau bhalang dhar lapen smile ko menteri rangba ban rap joka sarkar jala. Ya ka sarkar bathamai la ai kerteng ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2. Kiwe ki blabam smile ha ka ni kasngi ki kintup yo ba AL hek na kaseng BJP, I Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo jong ke NPP, ba Paul Lingdo jong ke UDP, ba coming one Amban jong ke NPP, 80 Mondal NPP, Bakar Menshalla jong ke UDP, Makrus and Marak NPP, Rakam A Sangma jong ke NPP, but ba Shakliar Warjri jong ke HSPDP. Ya ke jingpin smile ale ahkamad umentri rangba do kari Narendra Modi, but umentri ki kampo yeng ke sarkar jala u Amit Shah.
Sangma, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the Chief Minister of the State of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or hatred.
I, President Song, do swear in the name of God that I will bear strict allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as chief minister for the state of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or guilt.
We have laid the foundation in the last 5 years for many sectors, and we will continue to work aggressively on those foundations and build a better state for us, for our people, and we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education, social welfare, and of course we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.
Ka kanhun menteri Bathamai Jongga Jala Meghalaya ka MDA 2.0 hakasin ka baning kong kala yakendo hakajingalang kablalong menaga khandai tarik mentau banai leber hajar arpolai hapo kajingalam jo menteri rangba ka jalau konrad ke sama.
Habaikrán mikla pathai Khubor hadim pelawai kecil lang ukonat ulong baka kinhun menteri kalarai ban priang lani ban minjur ya kajing pendam no eka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021.
We just concluded the first cabinet meeting of the MDA 2.0 government, and in the cabinet meeting we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet.
The cabinet, we look, we have only 4 ministers from Garo Hills. Will there be more from Garo Hills region?
Yes, there have been large number of MLAs from Garo Hills, but as I said, we have 4 berths have gone to Garo Hills, and 8 ministers are there from Khasi Hills and Jayanti Hills. But we are trying to balance things out. We know that, of course, everybody will have their desire and to represent the district or the region, but it's not always possible because we have limitations. And therefore, I don't encourage that it has to be seen that way all the time, that because it's been 18 here and 4 here. These concerns are there, and I don't say that they are not important. They are important. But at the end of the day, while we form a government and we work for the government, we have to keep in mind that at the end of the day, it is really about what is in the best interest of the state. And that should be the primary criteria to decide on how we move forward. And other criteria also should be taken into consideration. But at the end, the top priority is what is in the best interest of the state.
Menaga kendai treatment tau benai leber arajar arpulai ulat ke jelau Phogu Chauhan ulapin bena ia ka jing sam bha Shaki Menteri ke Sarkar Meghalaya Bathamai ka MDA 2.0 bat ia ne ka jing sam mikni ki bha la le hapo ka jing aju mo jo Menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad ke sangma
Ki kam ki bla phia ki Menteri Sarkar Bathamai ki long ukarat ke sang mau belong Menteri rangba ka jela on bad ek Cabinet Affairs Department katrat platinka katrat ki kampo yeng bar ki wei de kitrat ki baklem shimla IT sha ki wei ki Menteri uba preston tin song belong Menteri rangba ban rap ka sarkar on bad ek katrat ki kampo yeng ka baha po katrat pulit dang ta katrat PWD bar ki wei de uba syaw bhalang dhar ubalong rusaw wei Menteri rangba ban rap ka sarkar jala on bad ek katrat penroi sor bar ki wei de kitrat uba elhek on bad ek katrat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary katrat Fisheries bar ki wei I Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo in bad ekatrat ka koi ka kya katrat ka rap karyang bad ki wei de uba Paul Lingdo un bad ek Social Welfare Department katrat ka pape ki kam chingo kai per thei bad ki wei uba coming one omban un bad ekatrat Food Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs Department bad ki wei u Abu Tahir Mondal un bad ekatrat boarding bad ki wei uba mention la un bad ekatanat Revenue and Disaster Management bad ki wei u Marcus and Marak un bad ekatanat PHE bad ki wei u Rakam A Sangma un bad ekatanat Kapuli Puthi bad ki wei uba Shakliar Wajri un bad ekatanat Kamele Akai and eka Sports and Youth Affairs Department bad ki wei
Uba Ardent Miller Basayomoi Ula Ong Baka saying Voice of People's Party VPP kan Shombe Hakaliang Prasha but kum ki dukot Jong Kaliang Prasha kin Omsha Jem Yaka Sarkar Bagan Le Kat Bakamon
Nagalenga jingi ade bagi soto bagadon kata ka jingkwa ka jiki pai ba baganwan kata ka sarkar ka bailam daga singrulu e ba habani baka UDP kala job Khubor kharwe ngot kemeli ba bakila pensoi be ko abani kendo bani kren antara taka formation of government ka sarkar ka banilam daga UDP ngilale ban burom me kata tenre hakatu ka janmi hi ngila soto bagadon ke ke ba shongpher abaka kalami itu ke jingjamo kaba laya penong kambiria rukandiat begitu ki emily jangka HSPDP ke laya ja don ki ong balik bam jing bam don ki ong balik wat jakale penche te tenre kabakut ke pau baki lelek sha kata geliam tenre kai ke banganga berkhat kalong ba lada ka party HSPDP hi ka scam bani donlang ha kata ka sokar sindrop balai lam dari UDP kiameli jong ka HSPDP ki hapan wan pai nama pa ka an kam sha bakin chipet kunto te henry tangharin ka tu ni kan tai la nang i tu jingja tinggal andal pa ka jing smo pher balai se kane ka kam kan position issue tan renga poi pakhat bakan kloilan hadu kan ni wa da ka singi Sunday ka bangi ong ru kam dan su ka jing amap banyak penbet ni ke te lamar kata kata hi ai biki pai bakin bisa te bat ngakwaru akan ke por ban disutho itu kiri wo dong kiri wo nya ki ba persang ban pentho bria ya ka Voice of the People Party bakai litre baka TMC nagamta kito ngatrai ngata kapat ki bakin da puli bah bakin da pet bah ya ki jinglong jingman mar kadai ka jinglek kersan ya ka parti UDP kabri ka senglum ka ban yalam ya ka sarkar ka jingpat kre penyalam ya ka sarkar kamde ke jinglik kersan ya ka TMC kidi ban bang akarpat di pat ba bakin bisa bhai ke bakum kini ki jaj bril ke jaj kinhon namar ba kila sutu ba MPP menta ka sutu ba kadai tang ka Voice of the People Party kamari ka seng ka juat bakin hape khon nagatara ki persang ban penthami ka ba ban penthami da ka ba kin ong bagani ka seng ka don ka jinga dei ka bangala penshar war ki for election tenrei kumangila pan pau hi bana galeng ka jing ka Voice of the People Party long ka bolong jaga ba jang inum la mene trelang bagani ka seng ka bala sinshar bamhok ini hini ki sampli kisnem but ngin song la ka dei yang ibingin song war galeng persha rei ngin num kenre ma da nongrim ngila ma dong begini ki long ta ki drama ki political drama ki drama ki baja haswa ban thau sarkar ki drama ki baja haswa ba kinelek syagata ka kanhun ka bale asi kala don lupa ka jing stu jimo mpher klai trilang te sansna menchwa kili tang jing penbi ki jing penthami te ha ka bokut upat ba nong jiet igini ki parti ula syat no pen tang rkhyang par rkhyang kata ka sia ka baki syata ki ti ki jungki kila da syat te ai bikini ki pat ba ki syat kin puson kin perkhat kin la kata ka jingkersyan sing julum ko jungki ka don jingmut em apa kono kumni kan bagi layo lahat penyalam ke sarkar de kim shime kata ka kabu kim shime kata kala wan mangi ngelo ong nyibu iki kendot truling on lada kita ki kendon kim non ki bapila ban pereng manaru ina ka jingkersyan na bar tang ban pitik na ba ka NPP kanum yo ban senchar sa sansnen des kai ki bangila ban le mandang nyimla asu ban le tang bangin song ka leng persya ringin persang ban le hok ya ka kamram jing kum kita ki parti ki benar ka leng persya nyen sha jam ni ka sarkar wala ngi don tang knya ru ring ka kwa ru ban pen pa ni sai sien bagi non kersan jong ka voice of the people party kenam don kam ban perkhat arti ni ku kinang lam nginum syukori ki nginum set kelai ki ni ini akan nongrim ban ngi kerpat ki bakin ai ka jingkersan ni daga babu i jingwai ki bakerpang bang ya akini ki sanse ma pregi jinge ki bobon rangkat upai ba rangkat ki nongrim ki baskem ki kata ka ki bala chwa ban pins
U National President Jong Kaseng NPP ubadai ru minti rang bah ka jila Conrad ke sangmau loong baka thong ka bah khmat e jong ka sarkar ka bathmai ke jong kalom man thawe ki lat kilinti na ka banta ban yo kam yo jam ki samla jong ka jila ling ba ka tanat information technology bat ka tanat tourism ne ka tanat jong akai prathai
Ulong baha ka bakut jo ka de samoy trekam la kumno ka sarkar ka de ban la ban thau ko ba arpusan hajatali ki post ha ka tanat information technology laban kedo hangni bayo kolat ke sangma on pensmai momentary rangba akajala haka hinyo trek ulaber ahaja arplai haraj bhavan ya ka ba andon langru Narendra Modi mentry rangba do kari but umentry ki kampo yeng ka sarkar kmeu Amit Shah.
So we have laid the foundation of governance in the last 5 years in the sectors that we felt was very, very crucial. And of course, we will take those steps forward. We have also realized and recognized that there is a great need to push certain sectors in order to ensure that we are able to create a large number of job opportunities. And hence that will be one of the top priorities for us in the next 5 years, whether it's the IT sector. In the last 5 years, we have managed to open up the 3,000-seater call center and BPO IT park. I intend that within this next 5 years, that we should open more than at least 20,000 seats, if not more. We already have sanctioned for the last government 5,000 more seats. So I will push. I'm not saying we can do it, but it's my target and goal that we should, at the end of this term, we should have at least about 20,000-25,000 seats of BPO sector in our state. I want to push even the tourism sector a lot, because I strongly feel that tourism is one area we can really, really work on. And there are small ways in which we can create multiple avenues for livelihood. And that's what's going to be also a big focus for us. We feel value addition in agriculture is something that is very, very important. And if we do it the right way, we feel again a lot of opportunities can be created in those areas. Of course, we have a very strong sense towards our health sector and education sector. So we need to continue to strengthen that. These are very, very complicated sectors and require a lot of investment. And hence we'll work and focus on the social sectors very, very aggressively. And at the end, of course, the infrastructure sector, which is PHU, or the road sector, or the power sector, the IT sector. IT means in terms of submarine cables and the optical fibers I'm talking, and the towers. In that area, so the infrastructure in these areas will also be very important and crucial for us. We have done a lot in the last 5 years in terms of road connectivity and water connectivity. I hope we are able to saturate things in the next 5 years, where we are able to ensure that every household gets the water tap connection and ensure that every village is connected in terms of road, and also every house is connected in terms of the power connections that are there.
Hadian arsngi bagi pat ba kilalap ya ka kli ka balaper hasla jong kapung yam jong wei rang ba kilalap saya ka kti ka baper hasla bat hadian pat kata kilalap ya ka met ka balatep hapo khando harut jong kapung yam.
Yau te rang ba obla sha penyap dusman hakiriu trang snam. Tip kumu ba omeka mirthong na kashnong Maulai ngut East Khasi Hills District baru badairu rang ba obla dan san ngut kikon. Karukam sha penyap ute rang ba klalong ka ba itrem hado kata ha ka ba kirunar kila krai na rendang kila khet ekakti bat kisalej ban bread hapo kate kapung. Hadian balap ekamet berkikti ki pulit ka Riboy District ringkat ke jingdan ki bahayeng lembat ki briu na kashnong kilalej ban shimti ya kamet jong te rang ba bat ban le ekabedan kambaro kat kum ki kendon jong ka an. Habai kran ro ba sain don nong besap secretary shnong Maulai ngut uloong bakat kum ka jia thu ki bahayeng jong te rang ba loong bola ja na shnong na do ka arpun riu tereng men sham banai ha ka ba ka shnong kala persyang ban wadio Henry opshim la lap satya tak adu bagi bahayeng kila lap yo na kate kapung yam. Uni unong ya lam shnong uloong ru bau te rang ba ude briu ba bha bar dan kanu ka dak sneo ha shnong ka thau na maru de briu ba kloi ban tre lang bar ki bor shnong bor thau. Na kaliang ka shnong ka pendram jor ki runar ki bladan kti ha kate ka company up this one bar kila dawaru na katanat pulit bagadai ban shimkia ka ban thwet ki runar bar ban ai ka jingpen saja ka bating khnang ba ki bakum ki te ki jingja kinum jashu nang ni shakhman.
Kejutip tinggi nasional te kejengjas iklan du arpun du terik singbelai ni belada. Ini nasional tem senja ki bahi ki pentip tinggi wat nasional lewat kumba sausni awat marah dengan nasional. Ini sini tu kira ki bahi. Ki bahi ngat. Kan tahu te di ilang babiang, long ikon lu kejeng pintu nasional tahu. Long ilang perang ha. Long itrei lang. Long di lon simbab ni trilang nasional kan di kau juga senang nasional. Di ba nunuk kami ni kah long untuk saya tak mau pergi kuat di orang nasional. Oh lele jini kau nasional tinggi peremjur kini taki nalek kam seni guru seni guru peman lah penong. Ba tinggal tinggi kalau sebab pelan. Paling nasional ni dan kecil penrem majoriti. Paling ni kerparu dalam kadim kui department kepala batin. Aji trilang ikut nasional ban pintu lang iki. Bahar penik kami gile tadi orang bak curi ni kami. Tes kau meru lagi kau senang. Ni kuat bang, ni kuat bang kam kan syukur nak kum ni. Ni kuat bang lagi jeng polis department kan himkia kan nyaibat ini balik berman. Mak kum kam ba ule kalau ke kam ka segment la bandong minta rubaman. Kita ni sungai kerpat long ka bala ya ka sistem part kita kulit. Pakai ni teng banwat ini briu. Ini briu ki ba sim ini ni rumah apa senang. Bakin agi jumpa saja kepada iki polis bukan kelab ilap nak.
Hakawai pat ka jingja shapen yap brio ka basngau trim ka balaja menta ka Taiew ka laja ha kasnong paha maulen ar pomer ha ka ba wi rang ba ubaladan kumban ru post nam karta ai ula shapen yap dusman ha ki riu runar bat ka te ka laja ha ka por ba utei u rang ba udang thmu ban le chaka chaka rap jong
Kajil shapen yap uni rang ba ka dei bakirunar klatier bat bombe haki benta ka khle tar hado ba khle jong te rang ba kala prahi phom yoni rang ba latip kerteng kum uba Elias Rendong ha ka ba kat kum ka je thu de ki bahayeng loong bulami na yeng ha ka por new baje ai min step na ka benta bane chalingkha baria ka por bula sha pen yap omshim latip namar omdan bayu i kate ka jingja kade ha preng kalinti ya bane chaka jaka rap ki nongrap kata lingba ka surok na paham maulen cheki than umdap kat kum ka je thu ki bahayeng loong banadu kate ka por bo mi kimte bi issue Henry ka blapun kendit ki ka de hadien bah ka posam steng janwit kila yo jingtip halor ka jingsha pen yap uni rang ba ha ka be de ba kate ka jingja ki pulit ka Riboy District lingba ki pulit ka Bernihat Police Outpost kila lej mar kate ka jaka ban shimti kate ka med balara no ka nongpo civil hospital na ka banta ban le ka postmortem
Kipulit ke jela hakini shipo banai ki bala no kila yo group yo drugs uba shong dor palat klor tingka bala yo ruban kem ya katuk aningut ki bru ki badan kti ha ka ban khayi yau ni ujing di pen buat
yakani le thu do DGP ka trat pulit u LR Bishnoi hak je ka do ba kinong thok khubor uloong bana ka liang ka trat pulit kala ai shipotli ki jing ai jimu chaka sarkar ba kumno ban le na ka benta ki tu ki bru ki bajule e ka ju shi ka ju war hadien bala kem ya kiru Nakaliang katrat pulit haka khandai trik ulaber arja arpulai kala pelong ru e kaching khandra haka thain luwa mauprem bala yoru ban kem hi kat tu ka ningut ki brio
So in 2022 total 116 cases were registered. So if you compare the yearly cases for last 50 years, after the formation of the states from the 1972 onward, so this is the highest number of the cases registered under NDPS Acts. We have arrested 234 number of persons in the year 2022. This is also the highest for last 50 years. Then we have seized nearly 60 vehicles used by the drug traffickers, and those vehicles we are trying to impound under the NDPS new chapter 5 so that these vehicles can be permanently disposed of and the sale proceeds can be deposited into the treasuries. Other than that, in 2022, 187 number of mobile phones were seized, and after the analysis of CDRs etc., that helped us a lot, and we found the network of the drug traffickers operating in the state of Meghalaya and other state of Northeast. We have seized nearly 7.5 kg heroin in the year 2022, and 1 kg heroin is sufficient for 2,000 drug addicts. So you can see that 7.5 kg means the 15,000 drug addict doses we have prevented. And out of this, from May to December, we have seized 7 kg, and before May, only 500 grams. So seizures have gone up after the May 2022. We have seized nearly 4,000 kg cannabis. That is also a huge figure, and it has broken all the earlier records. Methamphetamine tablets is a very, very dangerous drug because it is a manufactured drugs. It is not a natural drugs prepared in the industry, factories, etc. So methamphetamine tablet, we have seized nearly 12,900 tablets in the year 2022. Other than that, we have also seized tramadol tablets and other psychotropic tablets, nearly 29,000 tablets. The cup syrup is also a problem, particularly in the districts having the Bangladesh borders, because the cup syrups are generally coming to the northeast from the Himachal Pradesh and the Goa and Delhi, because factories are located in Himachal Pradesh. So because of pilferage of the cup syrup, some of the cup syrup manufacturers divert towards the Bangladesh border. So our districts are also equally vulnerable as far as the drug trafficking of cup syrup is concerned. So we have seized nearly 28,700 bottles during the 2022. Other than that, we have seized 37 lakh rupees cash, and that has broken all the earlier records. And most of the seizures, 80% of the seizure is done after May 2022. So this is nearly the seizures under various heads in 2022. And if you analyze every month seizure, so it has gone up as compared to the earlier. In 2023, our number of cases have gone up. In 2022, every month, on an average, 10 to 11 cases were registered under NDPS. But in 2022, till today, January, February, until 10th March, our average registration every month has gone up to 15 cases. So number of cases has increased. In the first 70 days, 35 cases have been registered. We have arrested 80 number of persons in 2023. Just less than 2.5 months, 80 number of drug traffickers are arrested. 31 vehicles seized, including high-end vehicles also. Then 94 number of mobile phones seized in 2.5 months only. Then heroin, 3.2 kg heroin in 70 days period. Then ganja, nearly 140 kg. And the tablets seizure has gone up like anything, and it has broken all the earlier 50-year records, 60,000 tablets in 2.5 months. Then the 22,000 bottle of cup syrups were also seized, mainly from the Garo Hills and the other districts having the border with Bangladesh. Other than that, in the first 70 days, we have seized 28 lakh rupees cash. So cash seizure in 2022 and 2023 till today has gone up 65 lakh rupees. So we have realized the gravity of the problems in the states, and we also came to know that the most of the drug traffickers, after getting bail from the court, they again indulge in drug trafficking. So repeated offenders are there. So we decided to utilize PIT NDPS Act 1985, where there is a provision of preventive detention. So we have submitted 10 number of proposals to the government. These proposals are under considerations. Government has already constituted advisory board. Then after the proposals, once it is approved, then we can straightway detain those repeated offenders and send them to jail even if there is no recovery, because there is a provision of preventive detention.
Menaka kendai terik mentau benai lebih hajar arpo lai u CEM jongka KHADC uba Titus Well Khan ula ai yakasanat sha u CEM uba pura jongka hima melim upa EM aina manix EM bad yakani lapan long hapdeng kajingan dan lang jongka tukat ningut ki EM bad ki menteri jongka hima.
Ya kini kecing ai sanat lale hadian berada berpelong ke election jits kabla long hak arpenyu terek urim phang hajar arplai. Hakani kasi lawan berbins kem bar ai sanat do CEM ke KHDC uba Titus W Khan ringkar ke dan lang uba J War EM ilaka bat kiwe de ki EM jo ke KHDC.
Jangan kapor na IT yang ini sana hari paim aina manik sim jom kami lima melim kumba ke district council kalau menjut bakal sim jom ke lima melim kumta ke executive committee hasil autonomous district council katung ke section 4 jom ke hasil autonomous district appointment and succession of SIM, deputy SIM, electors and Rambachnom of Millennium SIMship Act 2007. Kumpala panbaha hadu menta kala sobha bantung yipi kumusi mapura jom kahima melim kat kikon don rum. Ibaniko hinsdam no ya kejing prikam bakajing long SIM jom hi kane serta lem dalawen no ipi nakakam nakabanta kanu kejing lek palat jom hi ni nakinu kidau kibabiak. Pinhap ako kecik penyat kasir autonomous district council nadong syadong bat pidei ban komu yaki hukum baru kibabi naka executive committee ni naununu officer jongka yau bala aibor naka benta kata bapinwan jimut ni jimbit na ki han kinu kikam hisyam jing
Kumbalaju keran haki puan kibalale tu puan badang long SIM tu kini jonga pen mau ya kapuan bang simti menteri kaluki tak kapuan hakum kani kapuan yo menteri bakna tam tharai haki si kipuan di bandangwan ngi soyo yo SIM bandang kena tam te kani kesni kanong rung sni sa jikan ma pateng la pateng ngin yatre rengkat bapi habadon kanu kakia kasan ngimdei banyak tau ngimdei banyak wo ngimdei banyak peni denti ya kai kalenti ke bawah hatam baru pengin yatre rengkat bapi district council menem ya ilai men habadan kanu jinge ngin hape dan lang denta iwe
kakam apo kahima melim daki bon senam tolong kebayaan dekat kenrum ngimla pandan ini ila donru kijingja iba snosi idonru kijingja iba penjak burung iba penihar kerdan ya ke burung jom kani ke lima tena takadau nakadang cumi ke executive committee nadu kasni ke bangi syimti yang kau banyalam po district council katong ke cumi kalong ba kumno bangi penyiat MP yang lima ibadon apo pun usam jom ke district council ke cumi namar ba tipaitan teng bila du ya ke jinsyania hangi ke district council namar ba teng namla kanda kentho kani bangila pelong kun jagai bangila pelong kamkai ila pelong ila penyiar kerdan ya kani ka ikhtiar Yang ini Khubor kebangi yo lembaga dari Senja jong dari India. Yang kebahadu mentang lembaga jing yo kejuni yang kesik schedule. Bahadu mentang idang itu yang Khubor jong ki hima ki klenong Senja ki rambak snong ki sorda hagani dari kejuni. Baladam de lembaga ni dari Senja kebangi yo terpa ngatarai kata dari ke ikhtiar dari ke tiga dustur kebangilan yo kelara pandu andam tiga jingdon juga district council Barabua kalau penne pensan badang penklaim yang ini kesensiat kadar kebangi ukun kesikarani do
Ini paymentas ke Khubor sport. Kalong ke Khubor ke basngotan nat bantip bat yo I ba ka kunhon yele kai football jong ka jila Meghalaya hapo ka jingpe jong ka Meghalaya Football Association hakasin ka beningkong kan yo ban rung banyakun shadu ka final jong ka jingyakun hapdeng ki jila jong ka ri India ka balalong ha Saudi Arabia ka 76th National Football Championship Hero Santosh Trophy 2022-23 Nagabenta kani ka sarkar jila lingba ka tanat sports and youth affairs kala pan ko buram pi yakino ile kai badi ki coach ru kumjo mana ka si thoding jong kani ka Taiew kata ka spotri banale ber ajar apulai
Kumban chipen kan mau bahagan ni kenti ke pemerintah ka Meghalaya kelarung shadow ke final hadin bikin syak lim no hakmat ke Karnataka dalai ko laar kani ke jila kai final ka long hanong ba Riyadh Saudi Arabia kajingpen ke buram yakinang ile kai ka long ru da kajingpen syong yaki hakwe katrok ka balapen riam pen bej bha balapen ya yaki hakadur jong kata ka road show ya ka balas sedang na maulai madan he put mori balaya ter hakisulok jong kanong ba
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Arabian team choreographed by Khubor. We have the team of the Meghalaya Football Association. Creating history in Riyadh and Saudi Arabia and making it to the final. Leading with the player of the Atwar player.
Choosing your battles, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, if you fold it up, cause this is Africa.
Ya kajinga lang pen kuburam la pelong ru hamadan yoreng hab hakabo kongsar bolawan bandon hakan ikasngi ude ba shakliar wajri menteri ubde pe yakatrat sports and youth affairs jang sarkar jala kiwe kibraidon lang ki kentup yo director katrat sports and youth affairs ubibar agarwal director katrat IPR umalthus engsangma kirekhot jang Meghalaya State Olympic Association kirekhot jang Meghalaya Football Association bar kiwe sinjuk ile kai ha kajala ki keme ki pa jang kinang ile kai bar ki ba
Iku apa yang dalam peringkatan apa pilihan burung iki players wilayah Kristen bermara ke burung dan utara selagi. Balada kebetulan ke Bakrau, batang sisi adalah aku office, dan yang lain yo menjadi kami lebih untuk sini. Mana yang bagai keren baru director juga sports and youth affairs. Malah kini ki ngongkei kita ka jika suhan kalian berdiri ke government nak mengatakan ki players ki belah Kristen lah batayna kat tu itu. Ada kini ke makan susu tidak susu ya bah pemilihan ikran ya pemilihan perkhad banangi sakman boy minta si yo pemilihan di cash prize kumne. Ada yang pemilihan perkhad bakumno mungkin dia lah tadi kul samla di sini. Ibaratnya kasap kapong nak benda kanu sports. Kalau apa dia football, apa dia kanu jingla kai ke kesunan. Ya kalau kumno mungkin dia yati. Ada apa kesunan nak apa? Apa sini keren ke sini. Bagi lawan ni kata jing perkhat. Banangi syakmat Islam ai. Ki scholarship incentive ki repair na dari kul samla. Ki wedan ni ke interest sa sports. Banalor kata ia pemila perkhad. Larang itwa beri mintiu di kul samla dari sports. Kalau kampung sang dan kami di infrastruktur di repair. Marang sujoin office dan menin. Ada yang pemila perkhad na laki ki. Kalau kanu tadi kita di stadium, kita bila pendiam, nak kata begini di kul samla, kita begini berlakai betul lagi. Bagi berbon di stadium mentah kita ada nak construction, ya kalau bila bu kita tahu, bagi pendiam no how ni benar Desember. Hari yang kami buat, nagi minister. Banyak baju Khubor pemikir Bangaderu yang dismisal for cabinet pemerintah. Ngadan dulu yang kecil clear ke bakrau. Ya kamu orang siam ulabu ulai yang kecil clear ulai yang portfolio sports and youth affairs. Ngadan akan kecil yang di jumpi. Ya kamu pelakoi itu ke final. Bapak kami football team kecil datang ke semi final berjumpa. Ada yang lebih baru pelai kau yang ada final. Berlatih bahagian ke dunia ini kita jumpi kami ke dunia ini kita masuk. Iman bol ki jingge, iman bol ki jingge. Laga dia kenal ko berita ke jingge juni iman bol bahagi jingge. Ada dia ke mengakwa menang. Bahawa idan ni roman idan ni kemensian. Apa yang kita jingge, jingge tunjuk repair. Gimdei pat meninju mesin, gimdei mengklat di katong, kamu mami bilaku. Mapi di pun sama, gimdei mengklat di katong. Minta asli bilaku yang itu ke final. Ngakerman sebuah perkapor, lesi ras dan katong.
Menhaka Henry Utrik mentau benai leber arhajar arpolai ka jela Meghalaya kala dono ya we na kitin shop ki ba paunam jongka ubala no senyang shibon ba shaki film khasi bar utau de urang ba enshan lamari ubashong basa hamolai put muri
Padondor Syaikum ni
Hei nata Hei padona kum nai
Ngashwan ya kai pi
Hakan Utrik ulaber arhajar arpolai ka jela kala do yo we ting shop paunam bar ubala no senyang bha shaki film khasi. Ini de ba enshan lamari ibasa hamolai put muri. Iba enshan ilalong unong ak ubaki babun ki briu kila itu bha. Ila dan benta haki babun ki film khasi kibla mi nakani ka jela bar khamtam e haki film jeng ba pradip korba. Ila long ru record joka seng biria u khasi lani ka sebuk. Haka baila lek keleng bereshim benta haki drama joka ni ka kinhon. Ka jingklat no jong i kala long shisha ka jingdu ka bakrau. Ya ka film industry jong ka jela. Nakaliang ka rikhasi channel ru ngi pha lang ka kerwo snolem shiki bahi nga sem jong iba enshen.
Well Leyu tu
Ini ide ba wil. Ila tray hayudu. Nadu ba idang arpos nem karta. Ban menpai dan hayudu ban penulong yalah kajing pos niu.
Ki film ki ba khampau ki ba ilai dan benta bar ki bla yoru ka national award ki long ka onata bat yodo ki bla direct de ba pradip korba.
baik orang mas mak bah melikai. Dera.
Ngapa dia nganang mut pin. Di ai kini kisentiu ya no.
Tu. Ya ampe. Ngale dang len te gum nei sudan ban pan coming ani sentou. Tapi tu nak tesim nak apa?
Kita nak bahagi ni. Pikuangan dalam kai pi mentah ke sengi.
Ya, ini nak gum nei. Hei, kabrip di keman. Patenya. Tang spete, tang mut bela tu. Pat pe ikas nong cengi. Nagi kemat cengah.
Taruh ke biang hi. Tambah pihak kular pada. Pinam perai ke keti jangan. Tahu ke nyala kabar?
Mana? Lah seledo ke umian
Kyo yo?
Oh, tak kena membeli mah perselekai ke Biasa saya ke selek ke Biasa ke semain entah.
Smart cinta badang syat.
Tak ada kisah juga, tak sedih. Kemudian, mut menang, mie cuduk kan, nak saya cinta bang bang minta. Sebetul ayo bang cinta saya bang bang. Itu kelak itu apa persongnya? Jai, apa ni? Dalam kondon ni.
Wei. Lai. Sa.
Jai saya benar piti. Nyo sama sem saya. Dan mengarok bidang tiang.
Nam cukup apa dan kini mau jengking mencuba.
Nak kami bah mengat teman menilai.
Tati lah dia kejeng semaju giding kese. Ila jan pui harut wane.
Beli. Ni bis not bah berluar. Dera.
Kasulang berkencai bahagia jaka.
Nak pui hawa dah.
Kata. Ngalayas ke air pengakuan na
Kuat syong.
Anak ku ayat. Gila jan pergi mana
Kedai bang mau pergi. Tambah yang mana kalau kapal cik ni.
Haswa bangin pin kut noi ki khubor ngin pin so biang shapi ya ki phangi bakong san sa shisin. Shimsmai kinomi khmat bathamai ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Shimsmai u Conrad ke sangma ko menteri rangba ringkar bat ki khatwei ngut ki menteri. Ngin shong hagaliang persha ban ngin omsha jem ya ka sarkar walang idan tang khandiat ru ong uba ardent. Hadin asngi belalap ika kli pers ka kti hapung omyam bat lap ya ka met jorang ba bala shapnyam. Palat klur shong dor ki drug ki belayo kem hakini ki shipho banai. Haga sport yo jing ithu naga jilla ka kunhon ki no ilakai football jong ka jilla. Kla no ngak film ubapau nam jong ka jilla. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor. Bat daga tungin pun kut no yang ni thup Khubor ka ni Taiew mentang yin se shem biang bat pi baro hakatai we pat ka Taiew ko banwan kuble pi baro bat yasu.